Hi, I'm Harleen Kaur from Digital Futures Lab, and I'm here to speak about our ongoing project From Principles to Practice Responsible AI in the Indian Healthcare System. The Indian healthcare system faces multiple challenges: urban rural disparity, staff shortage, and a growing disease burden that stretches resources thin. AI can support healthcare providers in reaching more patients and easing their workloads. However, incorporating AI also introduces risks. Model may underperform for certain groups, data drift can reduce accuracy, and over reliance can create accountability gaps. Healthcare providers need clear guidance to use AI safely and responsibly. Current frameworks offer limited operational direction. India's one time medical device approval system is not suited for evolving AI tools, and ICMR guidance remains largely principle based. This leaves gaps to be filled by voluntary standards, creating uncertainty and uneven practices across the healthcare system. We introduce a practical tool for healthcare practitioners to assess, identify, evaluate, and mitigate risks of using AI based on an underlying framework. The first edition of these tools specifically looks at the AI based screening devices. The tool provides healthcare practitioners with a list of questions and considerations for data and model of AI based devices. In addition, it also helps practitioners assess their readiness to adopt AI based devices and how that might impact workflows and patient safety in their practice. AI tools are highly sensitive to the quality and type of data that they receive. If the equipment or data collection method in a clinic differs from those used during the device development, outputs may become unreliable. This can result in false negatives, where conditions are missed, or false positives, which may entail unnecessary investigations. To reduce the risk, it is important to use data or equipment compatible with the tool's training environment, or at the very least, conduct local testing. Finally, we provide healthcare practitioners with guidance for monitoring and evaluation. This includes stakeholder mapping, identifying optimal strategies, and assessing capacity to conduct MLE. Continuous MLE helps clinicians identify unintended impacts and the risks of the tool, enabling its fair, effective, and safe use in practice. Thank you, and for more information, please visit our website.